On this 1967 Ferrari 330 GTC, the customer sent it to the body shop to get it all painted, and then he brought it in so for us to clean all the issues that it had. We polished the exhaust and added the stripe on the muffler. We added this rubber finisher with stainless steel and tighten up all the mounts. We added a wire for the license plate light. The ground wire was missing, so now they're working. We lined up the bumper. It was a little bit out of alignment. Underneath, we changed the fuel pump hoses, and the fuel pump wasn't working, so we got that wire up. We replaced the strap wire for the ground that was not, was a regular cable, and that's the way it should be. We tighten up all the front end and the rear end, all the bushings and mounts, and also in the back too. Tighten everything up. All this is gonna be cleaned by the detail guy. He's gonna ice it, dry ice. Okay. And then right here we change all the screws, because these screws, they were silver, they're supposed to be black. The horns that were taken off and refinished. The hoses being changed, the rubber hose. The compressor was replaced because it wasn't blowing hard enough. All the lights being checked, and now they work, especially the turn signals. We installed the beauty rings on the tire, on the wheels. They were chrome, but they weren't installed on the car. We took all the wheels off, cleaned the hubs, lubricated, put the wheels back on, and retorqued the tires. So this car is going to a concourse, and we try to do everything by the book. Make sure that everything complies with the car's supposed to look in 1967. And one of the things we did, we put the correct clamps on the things. Here we put the correct ones. These are the ones that came back then. These are the same for these. We changed the hoses on the masters, brake master and clutch slave. This is supposed to be rubber, not cloth. We kind of detailed the whole, this part of the engine. We changed the hoses. They were transparent, and we replaced it with the yellow ones. We changed the cap and hide some of the tie wraps. There were a lot of tie wraps, so some of the tie wraps we removed, and then we hide them. We also, this side, we replaced the battery with the antique battery look. This is a whole battery. It's not a cover, it's just a whole battery. It's an AGM inside the case. So this is a good way to go. We recharge the air conditioning. See all these hoses, they're the correct ones now. The hoses and the clamps. These are the clamps that go in there. So that's all the concerns about the engine compartment. Now inside the car, we replace the rubber mounts that push on the lights. They were worn out. We also added a seal on this part of the door that was missing, and here's missing a little rubber that we either gonna make or we'll find out, but it's hard to get a hold of. We 3D printed the bushings for the sun visors. Yeah, we got the fuel pump going. This car has 2 fuel pumps, one electric, one mechanic. All the gauges work. We also replaced these a few months ago. Not on this time, but that's a fairly new gauge. Alright, so this is what the interior. Okay, on the outside, we adjusted some of the door gaps by closing. I think it got very nice. This is the best we can do on this side of the hood. This is good right there. That's good. Now this guy's heading to the detail. We're gonna clean it and get it ready for the show. We also fix the grills. Yeah, they were loose. And we adjusted this door as well. Yeah, these grills are nice. Yeah, there we go.